Hi everyone, my name is Nicola. I'm from the Grace Retreat and I'm a Dermalogica skin expert, and I am here today to talk to you about your Calm Water Gel versus your Stabilising Repair Cream. Okay, as you can see straight off, they've both got the purple band, so they are both in the ultra calming range, which means either are perfect for skin types that are reactive, so your redness, your rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, even skin types like people that suffer with pollen allergies and that kind of thing as well, that get itchy skin, sore itchy skin. This can really help. So either product will really help with those skin types. They're both moisturisers, can be used morning or night. Okay, neither have got an SPF in, so you will need to apply an SPF over the top. But let's talk through the Calm Water Gel first of all. So this one is a very light, soothing, weightless, water-based gel. Okay, so it's very hydrating, very soothing, and very light on the skin and disappears into the skin. So if you're looking for more hydration and soothing, this is the one. It helps to prevent any more assault on the skin, so it helps to protect your barrier and stop any kind of atmosphere assault on your skin, so it will help with that. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, and that technology helps to lock in the moisture as well. So your stabilizing repair cream is more repairing, so this one is gonna try and help your skin to fix itself, to prevent extra and future irritation. So this one's repairing, this one's hydrating. So with the repairing, this is for skin types that are very pink, very sore, very rosacea, where you have a flare up most days. But this one needs to be used regularly, because first of all, it really helps with the redness straight away. But for future use, you need to keep using it to really build up that barrier, that natural protection of your skin to prevent further flare-ups. We've had great results with both of these products. This one is a heavier moisturiser. It's more of a balm cream, so it's heavier than the Calm Water Gel. It's got ceramide complex in it that locks in the lipids. It's got the resurrection plant extract in it as well, which really helps to build and resolve any redness and difficulties with your skin. I will show you the difference in texture on the back of my hands just so you can see the difference. So let's pop a little bit of Calm Water Gel on the back of my hand, and then I can show you the difference of texture. So as I say, one's definitely a lot heavier than the other. This is your Calm Water Gel. As you can see, it's really hydrating, water-based moisturiser. And this top one is your Stabilising Repair Cream, which is thicker and heavier, more for a drier skin type. So that's the differences of those. So that is your Calm Water Gel versus your Stabilising Repair Cream. If you have any further questions or want to leave me a comment below, I appreciate it. Take care. Hope you found it useful. See you soon. Thanks.